Dr. Finn here to talk to you about my new free Pup Club. Someone doesn't have to be a client to actually join this club. It's, as many of you know, I'm getting a puppy. I've never had a puppy. I've had over 50 dogs, but I usually have several dogs at a time. Like you can see my pups right here having a nice nap and cuddle with me, but I've never actually gotten an 8-week-old puppy. So I came up with this great idea, have a pup club, because I'm doing lots of research and pulling in all my fantastic resources of all the clients and professionals that I know. And I thought, well, why not let everyone benefit from this? It's going to be on Zoom, totally for free. The way you join is by reaching out to office@findvm.com, and we'll just do it once a week for maybe a month, maybe longer. Tips and tricks. There's gems to help with training stuff, with help with potty training, to help with training. You know, this puppy is gonna love my kitties, but I'm going to introduce them very methodically and very slowly. He's a purebred dog, so there's things that about the gene pool of any purebred dog being reduced. So I actually have pretty cutting edge strategies for correcting that and giving this pup every possible chance to be optimally healthy. As a golden retriever, he's going to be especially prone to cancer. So I'm going to start trying to prevent that from day one. So there's a lot of things to be gained, and who doesn't need community when you're getting up late at night to take this puppy out to potty? Or, you know, it's kind of like having a baby, except for you can put him in a kennel. And but I just want everybody to join me and have fun. Puppies are fun, they say, but it's a lot of work. So hope to see you in the Pup Club, totally free.